Now see, could you see this report here? I'll show. Just could you see this report? है ना? What?
Yes, sir.
हाँ
ठीक है?
सर,
मैंने आप लोग को बोला था एक रिपोर्ट बनाने, अभी तक किसी ने नहीं बनाया.
executive summary.
हाँ. This is executive. This is a report. This is something else. ठीक है? Now, what actually I want to tell you that, could you see this? There are so many graphs and images in this document.
हाँ सर,
है ना? Now, a situation may come that you need all these images separately. ठीक है? तो how will you do this? कैसे करोगे आप? Are you getting my point?
yes sir.
If you get a document from your boss and your boss want all the images in that which are used in that document, ठीक है? Separately, how will you do that? कैसे करोगे आप?
Sir, PNG file बनाएगा.
PNG फाइल बनाएगा, लेकिन बनाएगा कैसे? I just want कि आप कैसे करोगे सबको, सारे फोटोज को अलग अलग करके देना है आपको बॉस को. How will you do that? आपने क्या किया था?
डाउनलोड करके क्रॉप करके भेजना सर.
डाउनलोड करके क्रॉप करके भेजना. कैसे डाउनलोड करता था? What I used to do in the early days, I just used to copy it, then I used to open MS Paint and then I paste it, right?
Yes.
This is one method that we used to do, correct? है ना? Or the second method is that we can take the screenshot. We used to take the screenshot, है ना?
Yes sir.
एक print screen का button होता है आपके keyboard पे. There is a button named with the print screen. So press on that print screen button and then again go to this MS Paint and then paste it, right? You will get this and then you can crop it, है ना?
Okay sir.
ये करता था ना? That we used to do. But see, in MS, what we can do? Go to this. This is not a method. Let me tell you, this is a trick. Go to this file. Now save. Wherever you want to save, go there. So I'll create a new folder. Okay. Now, rather than saving it as a Word document, what I will do, I will save it as a web page. समझ में आया?
Yes.
मैं क्या करूँगा? I will save it as a web page and then click on save button. Now see what will happen. Continue, no issue. Just wait for a while. Close this document. I don't need this document anymore. So मैं इसे close करता है. Wait, थोड़ा सा भी है मेरे को. Close this document. Okay, I don't need this. Now go to this. मैंने अभी यहाँ पे save किया था ना, remember this batch 32 as a web page है ना? So now it will open in a Google Chrome. See. Could you see this? ये मेरा Google Chrome में खुल गया है ना? दिख रहा है आपको?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, but this is not my file. I don't want this. I will go to this folder, and this folder will contain all the images used in this website. See, so with just a single click, you can have all the images. दिख रहा है आपको? See?
Yes.
देखो, you can get these images easily. समझ में आई ना बात?
Yes, sir.
So this is very cool method to get all the pictures from any document. ठीक है? So you can use this feature. करने के बाद डिलीट कर दो उसको, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? समझ में आई बात या नहीं आई?
Once again, repeat, sir.
Once again. Okay, चलो एक और काम करते हैं. Let me go to a website. कोई मेरे को वेबसाइट का नाम बताएगा? Can anybody tell me a website name? www जिसमें कुछ हो. चलो मैं Facebook ओपन करते हैं. नहीं, Facebook नहीं ओपन करते हैं. Okay. Coronavirus updates. Okay, fine. I just need all these images, right? ठीक है? मुझे ये सारे images.
Yes sir.
So what I can do is, see, I will just select all this. एक फोटो सेव करना बड़ा मुश्किल होता है. So I will select all this, copy it, and then save it in a, paste it in a Word document. ठीक है? यहाँ पे मैंने Word document में से paste कर दिया. थोड़ा सा वेट करना पड़ेगा. It will sometimes depend on your internet speed also. अच्छा पेस्ट हो गया. Now see, हो गया ना पेस्ट यहाँ पे सारा, है ना? Could you see?
Yes, sir.
Now go to file, save as, ठीक है? Add डेस्कटॉप पे जाके जहाँ पे आपको सेव करना है, create a new folder. It is create a new folder, and in that, rather than saving as a Word document, you will save it as a web page. दिख रहा है आपको web page here? See.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? So click on web page and then save it. So when you will save it, okay, done. Now see what will happen. Go to that folder, new folder 3, and see. ये वाला में चले जाओ. दिख रहा है आपको? You will get all the images. है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
With a single click. See the different files. So you can have all these things. देख रहे हो? Icons वगैरह भी आ गए छोटे-छोटे which you can use. So this is a good, what I can say. This is not a. I cannot say this is according to the module, और ये module में या आपको किसी books में मिलेगा. This is a tips and tricks that we always use, ठीक है? To extract all the images from any document, ठीक है? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay then. I think Shravani ma'am is here.